Do you want to know how you can copy link to your profile from your OnlyFans? Then this video is the right one for you. Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video showing you guys on how you can copy link to profile from your OnlyFans. To do so, first of all you just have to open up OnlyFans on your Google Chrome or any browser that you're using and then log into your OnlyFans account. After that, after you have been logged into your OnlyFans account, now just search for any kind of account that you are seeing to copy the link to. For example, Morlane. And here you can see her profile has been opened up, and here you can see an option for start. Now if you do this, you can add this profile to your favorite, and beside it is a option to copy link to profile. If you click on this, a pop-up will appear on the bottom left side saying that the link has been copied. And now you can paste this link wherever you want off the OnlyFans account that you have just copied. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.